Do you want to propagate your airplant? Well, don't throw away that bloom. Don't throw it away. Look at this. Done nothing to it, and look at all those babies. Look at that. Just the rain, been watering them. And look at him. Look at him. Gorgeous. Thousands of babies. Look at that. Look at that. All that are babies. Look at that. Growing on its stem, not taking it out, not doing anything. No water, no fertilizer, nothing. Nothing. Look at that. This is my window. My window. Don't pay attention to my fern. It got attacked by the slugs. But look at that. Gorgeous. Lots of babies on the window. On my window. Look at that. Look at that. Look, there goes the mama right there. And that's the bloom stalk. I just left it there. And look at that. Look at that. Close up. Look at the babies. Look at that. Love it. Good tip. Don't throw it away.